think I'll improvise.
Is the fact that all these pictos do not need to be learned by each character individually. They easily could have done that. If they wanted to make their game more padding, they would have done it. Because there's so many other games that have the same concept. And man, it's just honestly so obnoxious. They easily made the program, or they just basically got the same idea and they just did what they should have done from the beginning.
Interesting.
Nice.
Wait, what is that? What did I just get? Not that. On every damage dealt, try to consume 1 AP. If successful... No, that's not worth it. That's not worth it.
Lost it, Jeff. I think I'll improvise.
Yeah, no, a lot of the ways that they just made their mechanics and stuff is very well done. Legitimately. It is exactly one of those situations where it's quality over quantity. Instead of adding just the most convoluted leveling system just to make the game last longer artificially, they just make things actually nice.